So in this video, we're going to go ahead and pick offer from Cpagrip, and after that, we're going to go ahead and see how we can be able to convert the offer. Okay, so many of you guys have been having issues in converting offers from any of the CPA network that you have, but in this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can be able to pick a high converting offer and then go ahead and convert the offer. And I will also show you how to set up CPA self converter tool so you can be able to use it the proper way. Now, the first thing you need, if you have your dashboard opened just like this, you're going to come straight to my CPA offer, okay, which is my offer tools, and then come over here and select United States. So I'm going to be using United States for this demonstration. And basically, as you can see right over here, Cpagrip is going to go ahead and pull out various lists of CPA offers. So we're going to be looking at the CPA offer that we have here and the criteria needed for each of these CPA offer before we go ahead and set up our tools. Now, over here, you can see we have category here. Now, in this category, this is where you need to go ahead and select the type of offer you are actually targeting, okay? And then this one, it shows the statistics of each of the offers. But then if you come down here, you can basically see that we have different devices, which you can also categorize your offer on, either on desktop or mobile or iOS device. But let me just leave everything to be like this. And then coming over here, I'm going to manually select the best offer that I feel will convert for me. Over here, you can see that this particular one is email zip submit, which I just need to provide email address and the offer will convert. And then you can see the amount or the payout for this particular offer is just $3. Then if you come down here, we also have another one that will pay $2, but the offer is not desktop, it's for iOS device. So you can only go ahead and convert this one if you have iOS device, but you can see that each of these devices varies. So of course, the CPA converter tool gives you an opportunity to actually switch different devices. Okay, now over here you can see that we have Android device. So we're going to be seeing how we can be able to switch devices using the tools in order for us to be able to access each of these offers directly. So over here, if you come down here, this one is credit card, which will pay you, you can see, $50 for just this offer. Okay, then this one, if you go ahead and meet up the criteria, it's a United States offer but requires credit cards information, and it's also an Android device. Then if you come down here, there are so many of these offers that are all in United States. So what we're going to be looking at is to come up here and pick the one that we feel that will give us the best result. Now, how do we identify these ones that will give us the best result? If you look at the sort over here, you can see default order that offer will appear in tools. Higher number perform better. Okay, so now what we're going to be looking at right now, since the higher number perform better, we're going to look at the highest number. So the highest number is 14. You can see right over here, and then this one here will pay $3. So since the higher number will pay higher, we're going to be targeting other numbers. You can see -0. If you come down here, we'll have -1, -0 and -1. So which one is higher? Between -0 and -1. So we're going to be looking at this one. This one is the next highest one here. Okay, -0, 15. Okay, so we can target this one. So but first, let me go ahead and demonstrate this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and then you can see the criteria for this particular offer. So I'm going to come over here and copy the link of this offer. Okay, so when you copy the link of the offer, the next thing you need to do is to place the link of that offer in a landing page. So you can see we have a landing page here. So I'm going to come down here and insert the link of this offer I copied, and I click on apply. Okay, so now the link is inside this section. So the next thing we're going to do now is to copy the link of this landing page and proceed to the next stage. But meanwhile, before you proceed to the next stage, basically you are going to make sure that you come to ASOC, and once you are in the ASOC, you are going to go ahead and create an active working proxy. All right. Okay, so in the course of doing that, once you click on create proxy, you're going to come over here and select the mobile proxy type. Uncheck these ones, we don't need them. So you come down here and select United States, and after selecting the United States, you can basically go ahead and formulate your cities from the United States. Over here we have different cities or regions in the United States. So once you go ahead and grab the one that is okay for you, then you can proceed. The one I prefer is this one that the bar is in green. Okay, that is the one I use actually. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and create my proxy. Okay, now after creating the proxy, I will now proceed to the next stage, which is actually setting up the system. So setting up the system is pretty simple. All you need to do is just to go ahead and select the type of browser you want. Either you want to use Chrome browser, and in my own case I'm using Chrome browser. So I'll come over here and I will use 135. This one is Chrome 124, 134. I choose any one of the version and then proceed to the user agent, where I'm going to go ahead, eliminate this one and have my own personal user agent pasted here. Okay, so after pasting it here, then the next thing is to come over here and set up the proxy I just generated. And as you can see right over here, if I check my proxy connection, you can see if it is successfully connected. You can see that is successfully connected. So I can now proceed confidently that this IP is successfully connected. So let's proceed to the section where we're going to be performing the task. Alright guys, so over here you can see how the offer pull out. Now once the offer pull out like this, what you basically need to do is to enter your email address. Okay, so let's see if we have this active email address now, and then once you enter it and the email is acceptable, then it's going to go ahead and proceed to the next step, because this is not just only the step. You just have to enter the email address, and after entering the email address, it confirms it, because the lead conversion from this particular email offer is just to collect various active email from the users. So right over here, we're going to enter United States 34, okay, and then we're going to enter the email like this. Okay, so this is the email that we just entered, and then we're going to now go ahead and proceed. So it's going to go ahead and check the last one and brings you back to this stage where you need to fill in your personal details, your name, your first name, your last name, your street address, and then your zip code, your city, and everything right over here. So now the question is going to be, okay, how do I get the personal name, the last name, and the street address, zip code, and all this information, so I can be able to fill up this form and proceed, okay, so that the offer will convert. Basically, you don't need to struggle for that. I've made a mini course, okay, that you can just grab. And once you grab this mini course, just check out the link in the video description, and it's going to lead you to the mini course where you are going to basically go ahead and get access to how to generate these personal details. And then once you generate these personal details, you are going to now proceed to go ahead and click on the continue button. And then once you click on continue button, boom guys, your offer is ready for conversion. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and perform this task. Okay, fill up this form and then proceed. All right, so after filling up the form like this, the next thing is to proceed, and by clicking on the continue button, you can see it loading. So I'm going to give it a just little time and then check my dashboard to see if the offer has successfully converted. All right guys, so you can see, congratulations, you can see the form has successfully submitted. You can see you have won a gift card from us before. You can answer this question, yes or no, but this is not relevant in order for you to confirm if the offer is successfully converted. So before we proceed in checking up these questions and answering them, I have to go ahead and first of all confirm if the offer has converted successfully. All right, guys, you can see the offer converted successfully. So this is exactly how you can be able to perform CPA offer and be able to get conversion from CPA network. You can apply the same strategy on any CPA network of your choice. All you need to do is to come to the offer tools and then select any of the offer, choose the category of your choice and scroll down here and select any active working offers. Okay, and also make sure that your device is properly selected, and then you're going to go ahead and complete the entire process legitimately and be able to get conversion from the CPA network. If you have a credit card that can submit, which will actually be able to charge you just $1, okay, just for confirmation, and the dollar will be refunded back to your account, you can actually be able to pull out this exact one right over here. Okay, and then if you have any question, feel free to go ahead and ask me in the comment section. If you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, all you need to do is to connect with me directly or check out the link in the video description. You're going to be able to gain access to the mini course where you can just lay hand on just one part of the course, and then you can be able to understand exactly how the process works. If you want me to make a mini course on a particular topic, just go ahead and DM me and tell me exactly what you want me to make video on a mini course for you, and then be able to get access to it. I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.